Let me start off, first of all, and thank the men and women who every single day put on that uniform to keep our community safe. I thank all of you for our police and fire and our great new sheriff. It is great to be with you. But these games are so exciting, and to think we're going to have the opening at Nationals Park, and then we're going to have venues all over Northern Virginia and the metropolitan area. George Mason University is turning over all their athletic facilities to us. We'll be on the mall. We'll be at Quantico. We'll be using all of our state parks, so this is perfect. It's all going to be in this area, which is exciting for everybody. But as Kevin mentioned, 12,000 athletes, these men and women who put on their uniform, obviously promoting physical fitness, respect to our first responders, 61 different events, 70 countries being represented, which is really great to have all these folks coming to Virginia, $60 to $80 million worth of economic activity, 30,000 visitors. This is exciting.
This is all about public safety, and I'm so proud of the men and women in public safety, including police, fire, EMS, and the sheriff's office, all together. They are the ones these games are all about, first responders, who put their lives on the line every day. I've already discussed the importance of public safety, our first responders. The games started as a way to promote fitness and readiness within the ranks of these competitions. And these competitions are so vital in honing these skills. They're also a lot of fun to watch, as you will find out next year. Northern Virginia is so proud to host these games. The economic impact to Fairfax County and our entire capital region is enormous. Again, families from 70 countries will be coming along with 12,000 competing athletes. We expect $60 to $80 million in economic activity and a ripple effect to Virginia businesses all over this region and all over the Commonwealth of Virginia. Our Board of Supervisors has made this initial investment, and we know there will be tremendous returns to our citizens.